Hi everyone and welcome to new video. So today's job we're gonna be making a new hydraulic manifold because the original one was made out of aluminum, so it just braked under the pressure. So here you can see my drawing, and I start by squaring 4 sides. And as you can see, I use my edge finder to locate where the part is, more likely where we should drill our first hole. Because this machine is capable of heavier cuts, I will not be pre-drilling all the holes. I will just use the right size of the drill, and after that it will be boring job. So I'm using just a spray can lubrication or cooling because my cooling system is broke. So after the hole was drilled out, I used a chamfering tool, and it's not just because of the look, but it also be easier to make a thread there. I will not finish this hole because I will be drilling from different sizes into this hole, so I don't want the surface inside to have some sharp edges. So we are moving to another side. I'm just double checking with my calipers to make sure the hole is in the right spot. This hole is not so deep as the first one, so we are done and we can do our first thread. And now just double check if the thread is correct by using the customer's fitting, and we can move to another hole. In this one I will be pre-drilling because there is a specific dimension, so I'm pre-drilling with 7mm drill. Because of that, we have assured that there was just a little wobble in a drill bit. So now I can use just a 8mm drill bit, and it should be right on the size. Now we just open the end of this hole to a bigger size so we can do another thread. Of course, don't forget the chamfer. Another thread is done, and I can check again with customers fitting. So we can move to another side, and we will be just pre-drilling this specific side because there should be another hole that goes into this. So I will open up just the end of it, and then we will move to another hole. So from this side we should drill right through until we met the hole we just drilled. Then I will widen this hole just a little bit. I guess that is 11mm drill bit. And now we drill for the thread. And I forgot the chamfer, so I try to make it now. And also test fit. And now the boring stuff. It's hole number 3. And also, as you can see on the surface finish, the tip of the insert is just out. So in this little recess we made, there will be a O-ring. Also at the bottom of this hole, it should be just a ball which will be used as a check valve. And we need just a little flat surface on the bottom of the hole. So I am using 18mm end mill to achieve the flat spot. And the hole is ready for thread. Unfortunately, here I don't have a chamfer bit, which will be just a slightly bigger than 25mm, so this hole will not look nice. And now I can check the fit of the customer's fitting with the O-ring. Yeah, that's pretty good, it's tight and snug. And we have just one remaining hole, and that is the first one. We need to widen this hole to 25 millimeters. And another boring stuff. Unfortunately, I'm a little bit scared that we are gonna be out of reach with this tool, so I will maybe use just a knife from my lathe. So that works pretty well, and now we just need to widen this hole at the start, because there should be just some kind of recess for the length of the valve that will be inside, to assure that the spring have enough capacity to set the valve on the right spot. And now it's just the time for the thread. The thread is 26 by 1.5 millimeters, which is typical for hydraulic in metric dimensions. And we can double check, and that's all. We've done it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.